Ready na lahat.
Tomorrow is backpack. Or your daddy is going to be inside. Hmm? The bag for your, the leather bag for the jacket, where you put, is inside here?
Yeah, inside the wardrobe bag.
Alice, you want to take or you want daddy to take? You want to take it? Island, you are going?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I will bring in the
Let's
clothes.
go, please. Bring the bag. Right?
Alex, push the bag.
You want me to push?
Nandito na kami sa airport, guys. Nandito na kami sa aming gate. Waiting kami papuntang Ottawa. Hmm? Ang daddy nila. Alex Axel. Ano palang mga bagahe namin. Meron kaming dalawang hand carry na luggage. Cabin. And backpack para sa aming mga iPad. Nandito yung iPads. Kasi pag dito sa bag ko, meron akong laptop. Mabigat mga mag-give up yung ang handle. So, nagdala kami ng backpack. Saba, meron din ano dito. Tim Hortons. Diyan ako bumili ng kape. We are here, guys. Naglalakad na kami. Papunta sa airplane. Kailangan mong lakarin. Follow the white line. Good morning.
Turn left at the first blue light.
Thank you. And yung si Axel and tatay nandoon. We need to turn on the light. Here. Air Canada and Corte. Okay. Ito yung ang Air Canada Express. Meron kaming little snacks. You like it? It's nice.
Manila. The local time is 7:53. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Smoking is not permitted. Mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal electronic devices. If you need any help, please stay seated and we'll assist you once the aisle have cleared. Thank you for choosing Air Canada Express, member of Star Alliance, for your travels today. We hope you had a pleasant flight and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bienvenue à Ottawa, il est 7h54 local. Nous vous prions de demeurer assis, de garder votre ceinture de sécurité attachée et vos bagages de cabine rangés jusqu'à ce que le commandant éteigne la consigne de ceinture de sécurité. Il est interdit de fumer. L'utilisation des fonctions de réception et de transmission des appareils mobiles est maintenant permise. Avant de quitter l'avion, veuillez vous assurer d'avoir en votre possession tous vos appareils électroniques. Si vous avez besoin d'aide, veuillez demeurer assis. Nous serons heureux de vous aider lorsque le passage sera libre. Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada Express, mon petit réseau Star Alliance. Nous espérons que votre vol a été agréable et souhaitons vous revoir bientôt.
Bahay na kami guys, hinahanap ko lang yung isang 3-in-1. Ito, wala pala kaming dala, no? Ang dala namin, luggage lang. Wala. Wala kaming nabili. Mamaya pala mag-Cusco ako kami mamaya. Sama ko yung mga bag. Ayun, si Mr. O, pinagtanggal niya yung mga laman ng bag. Ito ng mga charger, tablet. Yung isang luggage is diretso sa taas, yung isa dinala na niya sa baba para laundry.
Axel, asit mo, Ax!
Mga socks pala, nilagay ko dito yung mga underwear at socks. So, tsaka yung basa namin. Basahan na lang siya. Kasama ko si Alex at saka si Axel. Dito sa likod. Mag-Cusco muna kami kasi wala kami groceries. Kulang-kulang yung aming ano guys. Kaming fruits. Marami kaming wala. Mag-groceries lang kami. May listahan naman ako. Pati pala yung cream na malaki. Pinaiwan sa airport. From Ottawa going there, nakalusot siya. Bawal naman talaga kasi may ml lang na limit. Pinaiwan doon sa kabilang airport. Sabi niya, do you want to check in? I said, no. Just leave it there. Anyways. Okay, Alex, put on your seatbelt. Come on. Put in your seatbelt. Ay, hindi ko pala yung Cusco bag. Make sure we don't forget the Cusco bag. Kunin ko lang yung aking jacket kasi more comfortable mag-drive pag walang jacket.
Welcome back, Mylan.
Maaga kaming gumising kanina, 3:00 sa kadlawon. Pero ngayon kailangan kong lumabas.
Mommy?
Yeah. Flight. Nice beauty. Alex Axel. Lagay lang natin yung ating jacket. Basic lang talaga yung mga kukunin ko ngayon guys. Prutas. Vegetable kasi niluto ko lahat yung mga vegetable ko. Brown vegetable. Bread. Walang bread. Kuha ako ng isda. Paano naman tayo mag-travel nito sa ano? Ay, dito pala yung ano guys. Ano ba ito? Ticket pala to sa train. Kasi nag-train kami patungo doon. I mean like nag-Uber tapos nag-train. Sabi ko kay Mr. Maliit lang naman yung diferensya tapos mahasel-hasel pa. Kanina nag-taxi na kami diretso. Yung binayaran namin 50 something. Kasi malayo-layo din yung sa amin. No? King regular na pasahero. Kuha lang tayo ng edible dito. Mahirap mag-vlog kasi mabigat po na itulak si Alex at saka si Axel. So, here. You have space? We need oil. And then, cereal. And I think we are all good. Meron naman akong listahan. Oh, honey. So, onions. Cereals. Olive oil. Lemon. Goldfish. Eggs. Yung nasa bag guys, sa bahay ko na to siya ilipon. Dalawa po yung nasa bag. Meron akong barbecue sauce dito kasi kumuha po ako ng nuggets and fries and pizza.
Motor? I never done motor.
Huh? What?
Are you motor?
No, we're not in Moncton. We are in Gatineau. Axel, pizza here, buds.
No,
Oh, hindi nga malito.
I need to go house.
No. It's gonna be cold. Eat there. Nuggets. Here, Alan. Put there, Alan. Alex, move the pizza, please. Alex. Kain, guys. Kain muna kami. This is our lunch. Ito yung first meal ko since kaninang nagising kami ng 3 a.m. Yeah, you guys can enjoy pizza and french fries.
I'm not watching the YouTube.
I don't know. You guys are all good? Akala ko yung chicken nuggets and fries may kasamang Coca-Cola. Wala pala guys. And then, nag-order ako ng Coca-Cola.
I want Coca-Cola.
Pag bibili ka ng isa, nasa $1 and something siya. Ano ko kung bibili ka ng hotdog, libre na siya, 150.
Mama? Mommy?
Eat first, eat.
I ate already.
Pizza?